IBBY's support for the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights and non-discrimination. Since its founding in 1953, the International Board on Books for Young People has promoted understanding and acceptance of others in all countries of the world. One of its main missions is to promote international understanding through children's books, and this is successfully done with strict adherence to non-discriminatory actions and policies. In keeping with this, IBBY proclaims its strong support for the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights, as adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 1948, that provides a common standard of achievement for all peoples and all nations. With the reaffirming of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and Non-Discrimination in 2015, we are reminded of its importance in today's world just as much as it was 72 years ago in 1948. The Declaration recognizes the inherent dignity and worth and equal and unalienable rights of all members of the human family, regardless of race, color, nationality, ethnicity, language, religion, gender expression, sexual orientation, age, or disability. It includes the right to life and liberty, freedom from slavery and torture, freedom of opinion and expression, freedom to practice religion or not, the right to work and an education, and the protection of the environment. Its intent forms the very foundation of freedom, justice, and peace in the world. These human rights are universal because everyone is born with and possesses the same inherent rights, regardless of where they live, their gender or race, their religious, cultural, or ethnic background. In this statement of IBBY's support for the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights and Non-Discrimination, IBBY further encourages its national sections and members worldwide to uphold and promote these universal standards of non-discrimination and human rights in all their activities, projects, and programs.